2, 2, 2.
1, 2, 2, 2.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
Guns up.
Charge 3.
Charge 3.
Elevation.
Elevation.
1157.
1157.
When ready.
When ready.
1157.
Fire!
Remember the confidence level on that target location?
Good, pretty decent connection to like almost 1,300 meters out. So.
Okay.
Yeah, we got.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like 1330.
I don't know. It's
Alright, we're catching back up on waters.
I see it.
Yeah, we're just spotting more towards.
But,
sorry, we got a Yep. You got a target?
yeah.
How long do you guys like normally stay in one position?
Oh, it depends.
Look at that, EOD tech already.
No, we just
I think
because we still have to take that off.